Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the keyboard, top cover, and disconnect the battery cable. Removal: remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the M-SATA drive to the system board, and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the M-SATA drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the M-SATA drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: grasp the M-SATA drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the M-SATA drive with the key in the M-SATA drive slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the M-SATA drive into its slot on the system board. Press the M-SATA drive down and replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the M-SATA drive to the system board.